In this Flutter tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to run your application on external Android device without the use of virtual devices. Let's get our phone ready for it to be connected to our PC. So how we can do that is, inside setting, let's look for build number. And once we go to the build number, we need to press the build number 7 times. So now it says you are now a developer. So this means your developer option is enabled. So what that means is, if you search for option setting called developer option, it should be available now. Once you're inside here, you need to scroll down and look for an option called USB debugging and enable that. So now your phone is configured such that it is able to connect to your PC. Now that we have configured our external Android device, let's see if it is working properly. So firstly, what I'm gonna do is connect my device using USB, and there's gonna be a prompt that says what are you gonna use the USB for. So I'm gonna click on transfer files. After that, I'm gonna use Flutter doctor to devices to see if I'm connected. It says it's not connected. So now I'm gonna use Flutter doctor to see if I'm missing something. It is saying that Android toolchain is license status unknown, and it says run Flutter doctor Android license. So let's do this. So now what it's saying is we don't have command line tools is not installed, or it's not installed. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is go inside our Android Studio. On the right side, go to SDK manager and go to SDK tools and install Android SDK command line. So let's click here and press apply. After that is done, let's press OK and come back here and press Flutter doctor. The tool chain part is fixed, so I'll go and enable my USB debugging. So now that is enabled, let's try, and it shows that my phone is connected. So after this is done, let's see if we can run this application on our phone by going to Visual Studio Code and opening our previous file. And on the bottom right side, it should show, yeah, your device is connected. So if I were to run Flutter, run here, the program is gonna be installed on my external device. And as you can see on the screen, the application is running on my external device. Now that we are able to run the application on our external device, it would be easier if we are able to see our external device on our laptop as well. So what we can do is install a software called Screen Copy. So let's go to our browser and search for, and this is a free software which you can use to display your mobile screen on your laptop, and I will be leaving the link in the description of the video as well. So let's get to installing it. and it says get the app. So we are on Windows, so let's click Windows and install the proper one. Mine is 64-bit, so I'm gonna install this. Open. So let me open the zip file and let me copy this into my C drive for now. Let me just paste it here. So once I've done this, I need to use this application here, but we want to use it from our terminal so that it's easier. So what we can do is take this path on top, copy it, and let's set the path variable in the setting. Go inside edit the system environment variables and environment variables, and let's look for our path, which is here, and let's add a new path, and let's just paste the one here. And now it's done, and as you can see, our mobile phone is being displayed on the screen here itself. So what this means is you can code and use your phone at the same time, so it's much easier. And let's just try to use it using Vscode. Let me cancel this one as well. So inside our project, what we can do is create two terminals by pressing the plus button here, and the first terminal will run the screen copy program, and we can see the program running here. And on the second terminal, let's run the program. We were to remove this. So screen copy requires the program to be running on the backside, so we can't really do our Flutter run commands here. So that's why we have to create a new terminal on the on here. And once we are running the Flutter run command here, you can see that we are running the application here. And just like that, we can change stuff here, save it, and let's restart. It changes here as well. So this is how you can develop your application faster. So that is it for this video, and in the next video we'll be starting on developing a demo application, and we'll be starting on the first page of the demo application. So that is it for this video. Until then, see you soon.